Everyone. Today I would like to show you how you will link the Zotero files or the Mendeley files and then use the highlighting thing and then use them as your as an external file. So I think I could not explain it. Let's see to the process, you will understand it. Okay, the process is I have this Zotero account and I have these PDF files here, and the problem with Zotero is I cannot open them. I can only open them in browser. PDF files are only openable in browser. Okay, but when I go to Zotero app, I want this PDF file to be opened in the Zotero app, but I cannot do it. If I click it, I am using the Mac version, so this is these all of this tutorial will be around for Mac. If I click view PDF, it will open it in my default PDF, not in the app. So Zotero app does not support the PDF viewing in the app, just like Mendeley. In Mendeley it is available, but in Zotero it is not. Okay, so I have opened this file in my Foxit reader, or you can use the Adobe reader. Okay, I guess this one is not so favorable, so I guess I should move to the other one which I have edited for this video. Okay, I have for example this PDF folder. Okay, I have a PDF file. I have this PDF file which I have already marked with highlights and these things and comments and those things. Okay, now I want these highlights to get in an external file. Okay, so what is the process? You go to the Zotero app, you click the file. Let me remove this one before move item to the bin. Yeah, okay, you click the parent file, not the child node. You click it, you right click it, and to go to manage attachments. Okay, another thing, this thing is not available by default, extract annotations. For this you have to go to the tools, add-ons. Okay, and you are showing it zot file here, but zot file is not will not be available in your Zotero. So you have to go to your browser and download it, zot file. Download this one, uh, like this one. It will be downloaded in XPI extension. Don't worry, it will be useful. Okay, now you go to your Zotero, go tools, select add-ons, and then it will ask, then go here, click install add-on from the file. You go to your downloads, you click this one, open. Okay, this all will be done like this one. Okay, I have done it already, so that's why I am getting this option of get extract annotations. This all will be only extracted, these annotations will be extracted by this add-on. Okay, in Mendeley the annotations are extracted. I will go to this process as well. Okay, I will show it to you in okay, for example, if I extract annotations from the Zotero, this file is so many annotations, so it will take time. And another things are, if you go to zot file preferences, you can click lots of things as well. I have you can save it. For example, in a YouTube tutorial, they were saying that you should not do this one, you should not click this one because it will create some problems, or anyway I am using it, and you can edit this one as well. For example, if you okay this one are okay, these options are up to you. I am not changing anything. I when the files are annotated, they are renamed it with annotated. Okay, if you click this option and other things, you can check this one. Okay, we have the annotations. It will be like this one. Now you see there are so many highlights I had on this these my PDF file. For example, we go to the first one. Cohesionless grains do not spontaneously assemble in any natural state. The writer name, year name, and the page number. This page number is of the general journal page number, not the article page number. Okay, in which the article was published. So cohesionless grain. Let's go to our original file. Go to this one. So the Zotero has extracted that only that portion from 132 page which is highlighted. Okay, and it will also extract the notes. For example, let's click here. If I want to show this one, cite this, I have written. Why it is not clicking? Cite this, we need this citation to explain critical state of our sample. Okay, let's check it in our Zotero. Sorry, yeah, cite this one, cite this. Where is it? It should I guess I should check the page number. It is which it is page number 3. Okay, page number 3, 133, 133, 134. Yeah, this one. Cite this. So it will extract the highlights, but it will not highlights and the notes only, but it will not access in the Foxit reader. I am also adding in the comment section. I have so many options available. That's why I love this Foxit reader. I have the typewriter as well, so I can these things are typewriter. These are not considered as notes. Okay, so that's why the Zotero does not extract these things. Okay, for example, let's check it what I have written in typewriter. Triaxial is geometric test as well. Okay, triaxial on page number 133. Anything like triaxial? Nope. We are moving to triaxial. No, we have moved to 134. There is no thing like triaxial. So it only extracts the notes or the highlights. Okay. Another thing. Let's move to the next point. You see there is a small sign here, a link sign. Okay, this means that the original PDF is not placed in the Zotero. I have the free version of Zotero. For the free version it's only has 300 MB. So in 300 MB you will not get whole of your, if you are planning to do it for the longer times. So I have another cloud OneDrive linked here, and I have a folder with the files, PDF files. So I have linked Zotero that file in the OneDrive to Zotero, and this is only can be done in the Zotero app, not online. Okay, so the process is go to this sign, link to the file, go to OneDrive, go to here the paper is placed. I click it, okay, and then open it. File will be here. Okay, so this will save lots of your memory. In 300 MB it will not consume your whole 3 MB. You can link files only. Okay, and another thing about annotations, that these annotations are editable in the app only, but if I want to get an extract of these, So what's the process? Go to here, edit in separate window. There are still it is editable. You can copy paste it anywhere. For example, if I control command C, command V, and I go to my OneNote, I add page here, paste it. Sure. I get it here as well. You can do it in your Word file as well. For example, if you do not want it, you want it in an extra file, you can do it. Click here. Why it is not showing? Before it was showing to save the files. Anyways, yeah, if I click here, I go here, these are not showing. Previously I was able to extract it in the HTML file, but right now it is not showing it. Maybe it's like because of this. Export item, you can export it in the form of bibliotext. This is the default version. I tried it the other one. Okay, you can export it in the bibliotext or these versions. There is not PDF available, so maybe bibliotext will work for you. For example, if I do it in the bibtext, it will give options to export it with the PDF files as well, but I am not interested because I already placed it in the OneDrive. So let's do it bibtext. It asking me for this. Okay, save. Replace. Okay, let's go to the downloads where I have placed it. Can I be able to view it? Yes, I am, but the problem is I cannot generate report. Yeah, maybe, yeah, this. Okay, now I remember. Okay, I what is the process what I have done? Right click, generate report from the item. Okay, now this file is in the form of HTML, not like a PDF. You can save it, go to PDF, save. You can save it in the form of TXT. Okay, for that you have to go or select HTML or web page or TXT. Only these options are available. I have tried it by renaming the file as PDF, but the Foxit Reader or Adobe is not opening it. So okay, let's save it in TXT. Almost more favorable for some things. Okay, TXT report. Yeah. Okay, replace Zotero report. Okay, it will open it like this. There are many coding things, but you can export it in the HTML and it will be viewable like this in your browser. Okay, okay, now let's move to the Mendeley. How we export annotations from the Mendeley. Okay, I have this article. This one is the same article we were viewing it that here. Okay, you go to this is in the form of PDF. I have PDF here as well. Okay, I have added some notes. Now let's open it. This is an option available in the Mendeley only, that the app has the PDF reader. So let's say I have highlighted things. So in the annotations, most probably we will get this one. Let's try another one. Highlight text. One if the okay, 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 I have done it. Okay, let's add another note here as well. Here. This is a note. Okay. The problem with Mendeley is you cannot search these notes. You have to write something here to search it. Okay, that's another topic. So let's move it. Okay, we have done it. Now go to this one, and what we will do is we click here, we update details. Okay, so that the whole thing is synchronized. Okay, now what is that's the time to extract annotations. Right click, export PDF with annotations. We have already the PDF in the Mendeley, so I uncheck the PDF. I have 3 highlights and 1 notes, and I want to extract in this folder. Export. All of these exported. You can open the file explorer. It was the oh, I forgot the file name. I guess let's try this one. I guess these are from the Mendeley. The things are imported in the form of PDF. Yeah, you can see here. Okay, let's open it. The problem with Mendeley is it does not give the highlights. Okay, I am still trying to get any idea. Okay, we have got the note, but for the highlight it only gives page numbers and the highlights. That thing is only available in Zotero. I have tried the Foxit as well, but the Foxit okay, okay, we have got the note. Okay, let's explain it in the Foxit, how it is done in Foxit. We have done it in Mendeley, in Zotero. Let's do it in Foxit. Okay, okay, the Foxit reader is here. Go to the comment section, go to summarize comments. It will give the your summarized comments in the parallel pages. You will see, let's see. Okay, okay, visible pages only, maybe all pages. Here we do not have any. Now what it is showing, it is showing that on this date, okay, the date is not good. Number 3 highlight. So in Foxit reader you are not getting the highlights which you were getting in Zotero. It only mentions like Mendeley that this on this page there is some highlight. Okay, okay, now let's go to this one. We have this extra thing in Zotero which is typewriter, and these are highlights, remember, and this is the note. Okay, so did we get the triaxial is geometric? Yeah, we have got it. Okay, so the typewriter is extracted by the Foxit reader. Highlights are extracted by Zotero only, not even by Foxit, and the notes are also extracted here as well. Cite this. Remember, we have used that note. We have got the note in Zotero as well. We have got the note. We have got the side notes. It also shows that the text is underlined, but it is not showing that which text, original text. It will not show it. Okay, this is another note. Okay, okay, we can save it as well. We can if we cross it, it will ask us if you want to save it. Okay, don't save. Another thing, if I want to export these things, these highlighted things in a separate file, I can export it, but the problem is that it will only extract it in FDF file. so it cannot save it in PDF. I've tried it, but when you try to open it, it says the file is corrupt. So if I do it in the FDF, successfully uh, it is not okay. It's extracted in my OneDrive, which I did not want to. Anyways, let's go to that folder, literature review, this one. If I try to open it just like PDF, it says format error. Okay, so the only thing is you have to import. For example, you have a default PDF which is without highlights. You can import the annotations on that PDF. Okay, I still not do not know if there are any softwares to open FDF file. This is like a form filling format. Okay, any other thing? That's it, I guess. These are the things which will be very helpful for you for your future, and you can do it as well. Like you got the highlight from Zotero, you got the notes from Zotero, the comments, and then you copy the annotations from Zotero. You can use it in your OneNote or any note taking thing, and you can place headings so that you can remember that this part is related to what. Okay, that's it. Thank you.